Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm going to make crispy fish. 3 tablespoons of flour, and I have added 1 teaspoon corn flour in it. So I'm going to sprinkle it on the fish. And sprinkle the flour on other side of the fish. Rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to make batter. I have already added 2 tablespoons vinegar in it. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste?
Yes. And black pepper.
Black pepper?
Yes, paprika.
What is?
Paprika.
Paprika.
Curry powder.
Where?
I am adding chili flakes and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and just mix them. 1/4 teaspoon black seeds. I'm adding water. And the last I'm adding chickpeas powder. Mix it very well. You can add water if it's thick. Fish. I have already sprinkled flour on it. Now I'm adding it into the chickpeas powder batter. You can gradually add them one by one and mix it. Now you can mix it very well. I'm going to leave it for 2 hours. See you after 2 hours. Preheated the oil. Now I'm adding fish in it. Now the fish is ready. I'm going to take them out and just remove all the oil from the fish. It is so soft and juicy. I hope you guys like my recipe and subscribe my channel. Thank you.